The Frogs and the Tower Race. There was once a bunch of tiny frogs who arranged a running competition. The goal was to reach the top of a high tower. A crowd gathered round to see the race and to cheer on their favorite frogs. The race began. Honestly, no one in the crowd really believed that tiny frogs could reach the top of the tower. You heard things like, "Oh, this is way too tough. They'll never make it to the top. There's no chance they'll succeed. The tower's too high." The frogs began collapsing one by one, except for those who were climbing higher and higher. The crowd continued to yell, "It's too difficult. They're never going to make it to the finish line. It's just to see who gets the highest." More frogs got tired and gave up, but one kept going higher and higher. It wouldn't give up. At the end, all the other frogs had given up, except for that one tiny frog who, after a final great effort, reached the top. And then all of the other tiny frogs wanted to know, how had this one frog managed to do it? A contestant came up, and he asked the tiny frog, "How did you find the strength to reach that goal?" And it turned out that the winner was deaf.
And